5 things to do to let your photo or image stand out and be unique. Number 1, be conceptual. Don't just pick your camera, don't just pick your phone and take a shot. You must have a concept, you must have an idea how you want your photo to look. Number 2, angles. You must get a bit of the low angle, a bit of the high angle. You must shoot from the back, you must shoot from the side, so that you have a different perspective, a different way of telling your story. It's very important. Number 3, shoot through something. Whenever you shoot through something, and let there be a bit of depth of field from the back or from the front, but still your subject, you keep your subject in focus, it always makes your photo or your video stand out. Number 4, think opposite. When I say think opposite, what do I mean? Assuming you are going to shoot a product, or you are going to shoot pictures of a place, being a tourist site. A lot of people have been there, a lot of photographers or content creators have been there before. So you could tell from their shot where they stand. Sometimes they do stand at a particular place or a particular point. So you thinking opposite literally means you go the other way. You shoot from the back, or you shoot from the sideways. An angle that people don't usually shoot from. That is what I mean by think opposite. And when you try to shoot from those angles, it always creates a different scene to the human eye, and it makes your content, or it makes your images always stand out. Number 5, lighting. Lighten up your subject is very important. It brings out the 3D and the 2D effect you want to portray. So always look at the kind of light, or look at the lighting setup to tell your story, or to have a very nice and clean images. You can choose to have a natural light coming from outside, or an artificial light, which is the light that you set up from your back and your front. These are the 5 things you need to do to make your images or photos stand out and unique. This is Experience with Anas the Filmmaker. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell for all the content that I will be creating, so that you also have the chance to learn all the experience that we have gathered. Thank you, and see you on the other side.